pong gusto makaangat sa team standings itong dalawang koponan na to. Ito pong Barangay Ginebra. Kung mananalo sila dito, aangat nga po sila. At in the process, mahihila nila pababa itong Pure Foods TJ Giants. Tatabla sila sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Pure Foods, next sumakuha ang kanilang pampitong panalo that will tie them with Tokentex and Magnolia.
Well, ang koponan ng Barangay Ginebra, dun sa kanilang winning run, actually was one of the hottest teams ito sa liga, pero mas pinahaba na ng Alaska yung kanyang winning run. So gustong makarecover muli ng Ginebra sa kanilang winning ways.
Ayan, James Yap, 8 points pa lang so far, but this is also a good sign for Pure Foods dahil hindi naman sila malayo dito sa ball game na to dahil marami na ng players na contribute.
Correctly so. Maganda rin ang pacing ni Coach Ryan Gregorio dito sa kanilang mga bata. Even sa pagsisimula pa lang niya, even with the gamble on Rob Sands, ay hindi ito naka-apekto sa kanilang rotation. At in fact, ang ganda ng pasok nitong si PJ Simon. As we see the quarter scoring, wala pa rin nakakalayo ng third quarter, 23-18. The same output of Kings and TJ Giant in first quarter.
So palpa lang inabot ni Rico Villanueva. Pero bola mananatili sa Pure Foods. 16 seconds remaining in their shot clock. Nakikita natin yung field goal shooting no third quarter. Lamang na lamang itong Barangay Ginebra. Pero ito si Reda Ralimi talagang a good scoring night with 24 big points.
Yung kababaan ng field goal shooting ng Pure Foods in third quarter because they've been shooting unsuccessfully from outside. Kaya itong si Ralimi, sabi niya, dito muna tayo sa high percentage shot, dito sa aking skyhook.
Here's Chris Alexander again working against Ralimi. Nawala na naman ang bola.
And it's the right way to defend on him. Alam nila na mahinang mag-dribble ito. Kaya si Roger Yap tumulong at si Ralimi tinapos pa ang pass break.
Oo nga, no? Ralimi with some footwork na sinasabi ng Ginebra, traveling raw. But he will get his 26th point of the ball game.
Isang hakbang lang yun. Ang laki lang talaga.
At kung hindi pa siya kilala ni Alexander, ngayon, kilala na siguro niya. At kanina nga, sabi niya, what's his name? Here's Alexander, makes his move. Alexander, wala na naman. Pasa ni Roger Yap kay Rico Villanueva.
And in an instant, ang lamang nasa Pure Foods na. That's why we were saying kanina, huwag na nating isipin kung ano ang score dahil dikit ang ating laban. Pero ang Pure Foods at ang Ginebra, walang bigayan dito.
Yeah, that's been the story of the entire ball game. May lalamang, biglang habol yung isa. Wala talagang gusto magpaiwan.
That is the level of play na ginagawa nitong dalawang kupunan nito. Alam nila, matapos na ang ating second round at ibang stage ang panggagalingan. So every win is important.
Wala ka talagang game na pwedeng itapon, no? At ito naman, si
Especially when you're way down low.
Yun, oo, nag-ahabol ka.
That's his first foul on the TJ Giants.
So, unang personal foul be called on John Dan Salvador. Una pa lamang ito for Salvador. At his team, una pa rin lang yan dito sa fourth quarter. And Eric Menk masusubukan sa free throw shooting niya. So far, itong si Eric Menk, meron pa naman 2 puntos. First quarter pa niya na italayan.
Eric Menk has only been averaging 15 minutes a ball game and about 3 points a ball game. So hindi yung usual dominating numbers itong kay Eric Menk.
Namintis pa yung free throw. So tabla na naman tayo. And that would be our 7th deadlock of the ball game.
Rico Villanueva, top of the key. Hinahanap si James Yap. Pinigay muna kay John Dan Salvador. At the post, laban kay Tubid. Salvador with a fadeaway. Wala. And here's Barangay Ginebra running. JJ Helterbrand finds the open. Junti Valenzuela.
I was about to say, ang sarap naman ng pass break ng Ginebra with Valenzuela and Tubid on the wings, pero unsuccessful sila. Instead, eton si Roger Yap ang pinasimple ang pass break ng Pure Foods.
Yun nga, Pure Foods has been getting a lot of fast break points here in the fourth quarter as we turn you over to Magumar John.
Richard, may konting cause for concern dun sa bench ng Ginebra during the quarter break dahil itong si Chris Alexander, yung kanyang kanang binte, nagsimula na mag-tighten up. Minasahe naman yung kanyang calf as well as the thigh muscles. Kaya ito, medyo mabagal lang ng konti pero kayang-kaya pa maglaro. Tutukan na lang natin to as the game goes along.
At ito na nga, nakalibre dito si Ronald Tubid. And 21 points for Mr. Fearless.
May depensa pa.
Oo, at kinakontrol yun ni James Yap.
So si Ronald Tubid, ika nga, ito nagbibigay not only the points but a great deal of basketball smarts dito sa koponan ng Barangay Ginebra, tying the ball game up and possibly give his team the lead here.
At ito na nga yung bola kay Ronald Tubid. He finds Alexander. Hand off to Tubid. Tubid sumugod sa loob. Siya na lang titira. Wala nakita mapapasahan. 8 seconds. Fresh shot clock dito para sa Barangay Ginebra. At kita mo namang hapong-hapo na. Itong si Ronald Tubid.
He has to be paced sa lagay na yan. Pero di kita niya laban. Alam ng mga coach kung ano nagagawa. Kung sino sa mga players niya ang ika nga maganda ang rhythm sa laro. And that's definitely Ronald Tubid for Barangay Ginebra tonight.
Pero Tubid, dyan pa rin sa loob. Kailangan pa rin siya ni Coach John Wichico. Ito ay the start way. Tadi and Chris Alexander. And now, it's Alexander's turn to do some chest pumps.
And nakakatawa eh. Yung naiisa, hindi na tumitingin. Alam niya may gagawin yung isa eh.
Deadma na lang eh, no? Deadma. Ito naman si Ralimi. Hahanapin niya ngayon. Ito si Chris Alexander. Ayan na naman. And the crowd is loving it. Ito, si Chris Alexander humihingi ng bola. Judy Valenzuela, sabi niya, mamaya ka na, ako muna. Wala yung kanyang tira. Ano na bola, napulot ni Rico Villanueva.
And a foul was given up by Junti Valenzuela. More than willing to give up that foul.
Well, kaibigan, what action we are seeing between these two imports. Ito yung alley-oop play to Alexander. Tapos yan, harapin niya, ito si Ralimi. Ito naman yung follow-up ni Ralimi. Hahanapin naman niya si Alexander. Nasa ka ngayon? And action is really heating up, mga kaibigan.